Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry for coming out with videos very inconsistently nowadays. The state that I live in is going into stage 2 this coming up Monday, which is tomorrow? Yeah, it's tomorrow. So tomorrow we're going into stage 2. My work schedule is going back to full time. So I'll be working every single day except for Sunday. Today is Sunday, which is why I'm making this video. It's pretty much the only day that I have time to do it, unless if I record in the morning or during my lunch break or after, but by the time work is done it's dark outside. So Sundays are my only real days where I have the full day off. So in today's video I wanted to talk about paddle shifter extensions and whether or not they actually serve a purpose. So if you guys don't know what paddle shifter extensions are, it's pretty much what it sounds like. It's pretty much steel or aluminum, or in some cases you can get them in carbon fiber, and they're pretty much just extensions of the stock paddle shifters. So as you guys can tell, in the Mercedes AMG models, the paddle shifters are pretty small, like they're not like very obtrusive or anything. So there's actually two reasons why people get paddle shifter extensions, and I think the first one is very obvious, but it's for aesthetics. So basically, even though I have yellow on the outside of my car, I have red stitching all over the inside of my car. So I wanted to match the interior and match it with the red paddle shifter extensions. The needle is also red. So yeah, number one reason is for aesthetics. The second reason is because it actually does serve a purpose while you drive. I want to say maybe 85% of it is aesthetics, but 15% of it is actual functionality. So if you're actually going around a turn and you move your hand a little bit, you can still shift from the top or the bottom of the paddle shifter extension. So if you guys don't believe me, here you go. If I wanted to downshift, I would have to keep my hand over here, but now I don't. And the same thing goes for the bottom. So now that you guys know the two reasons why people use paddle shifter extensions, I'm actually gonna hook up the GoPro and I'm gonna show you guys what it's like in action while I'm taking turns and when I need to shift while in manual mode. So let's cut to that clip right now. Alright, there you go you guys. Hopefully that answered your question on whether or not they actually do anything. And as you can tell from that video, you can change the orientation of your hand on the steering wheel. So you don't necessarily have to keep your hands at 3 and 9 in order to shift up or down. You can change it up a little bit. You can put it at the top, you can put it on the bottom. So basically, if you want to put your hands in a different position and still be able to shift in manual mode, then paddle shifter extensions are for you. And if you guys are looking for paddle shifter extensions, make sure to hit me up on Instagram and I will send you a link to a website where I got mine. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also, make sure to give me a follow on Instagram, link below. See you guys in the next one.
Corazon. Gun finna jump for the shit. All top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the nightsticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas. We got nowhere else to go. It's only up from here.